How are you, my gorgeous viewers? Hope you are fine. Today I am here with another vlog number 13, where I tell you about some free Udemy courses. And I come up with free Udemy courses every week. And Udemy is giving away this type of free courses. I have just applied coupon code, that's why it's free. So while you are waiting for, go and enroll in these courses, and don't be exasperated if you have not resources to gain your skill in the skills in your respective fields, because these courses are free and I have give all the information of how to get these courses free. So go and enroll in these courses and share our video with your friends and family members. And there you go. I will give you the information of these courses. So this is our first course for today. This is for those people who want to know more about web development and web designing. Then this course is for you. Quite persuasive course, which is based on Bootstrap. If you know about HTML and CSS little bit, then you can do this type of course. It's quite great course because you can design your websites beautifully, responsive websites. You can also master the practices of HTML, CSS, and JS development, JavaScript, and quite great course to make your websites great from scratch and no experience required. And this course is free for today, that's why they are giving option of go to course. Otherwise it's free course. Go and enroll in this course. So this is our second course for today. Oh sorry, this is second, sorry, and this is our second course for today. This is for those people who want to know and who want to develop their career in e-commerce. Quite endeavor if you want to endeavor in e-commerce, then this course is for you. And this is course for free for 1 day. After enrolling in this course, you can get this course for lifetime, 100% off. Its price is $90, and just because I have applied coupon code, that's why it's free. For those people who want to know more, fulfilled by Amazon. If you mean fulfilled built by Amazon, you can know how to use Alibaba for and how to find suppliers and manufacturers, how to contact suppliers, how to sell the products, highly niche products on Amazon, and how to do marketing. This is for third course for today. These people want to know more about graphic design and Photoshop, and this course is for you. No prior knowledge is required. You can do this course from scratch. Impressive course as well, 4 hour on demand video course, 4 hour long course, and free because of applying coupon code. You can know basic tricks and tutorials of knowledge of knowing, just to know more about Photoshop. This is our fourth course. This course is for those people who want to know more about English grammar and want to know about tenses and want to endeavor in English. A step-by-step guide just to learn lessons of English grammar. Great course for those people who don't have their native language of English. This course is quite great as well because the machine learning is highly payable skill in the world. And this course for those who want to know more about data science. Everyone can do this course, even if you are a matric student or high school student, or even you are university going student, then you can do this course free as well because of applying coupon codes. Hurry up, its price is $74.99, but it's free because of applying coupon code. Go and enroll in this course. Quite great course for machine learning people. Another top class course if you have certain belief in yourself to know more about web designing, web development, and this course is for you. JavaScript, a quite great course. After learning HTML and CSS, you can enroll in JavaScript just to know more about and even just to and for those people who want to add animations in their websites, and JavaScript is for you. And this is our ninth course for today. Seventh course, sorry, seventh course for today. This course is for those people who want to know more about React JX is for web development as well. So third course for web development today. Just this course is for those students who want to know about Reactor modules, importing, exporting the modules in the website, creating proper structure for a website, and it's how to work behind the scenes. And great impressive course, and 3.5 hour long course, and a highly demandable course on Udemy. So go and enroll this course, and this course has 4.2 rating, and this rating is very high on today. Another great course for those who want to know more about dropshipping and DropServicing, and the e-commerce course. Sorry, if you enroll in this course, then I assure you will know more about how to sell products, how to drop servicing your products, how to open, how to obtain, how to deal with freelancers, and how to know you will learn how to receive work orders, receive payments from different websites. You will learn the strategy of getting clients for free. You will learn complete dropshipping online services, and this is also highly demandable course as well. For today, go enroll. I will also enroll in this course. Quite intriguing course, another intriguing and exciting course for today. And this course for those people who want to know more about civil engineering and architect. This course is for all those who want to know who are architects, even you are structural engineer or even you are civil engineer. Then you can enroll in this course. You will learn about how to design 50-floor tower in Etab V9. Etab is quite great software as well for building design. You will know more about modern techniques of how to find loads and how to design the building in a correct way. You will learn more about different types of static analysis. You learn about design RCC structures in Etabs, and you'll also learn more about AutoCAD as well in this course. Quite great course. Go and enroll in this course and focus on your skills, improve your skills, and pursue your career in your respective field. This is our last course for today. Yes, alright, this is last course for today, and this is for those people who want to get want to learn more about affiliate marketing from ClickFunnels. And this man is quite great because he made 5-figure passive income just because of ClickFunnels affiliate program. So just he copy paste his course, learn tricks from his course, and build your monthly passive income system. So why you are waiting for? Go enroll this course and share a video with your friends and family members as well. And that's it for today.